Casey of Dumaguete Infonet Service. In this video, I will be guiding you on how to register for a Philippine National ID via online application in just 6 easy steps. The Philippine Identification System ID or PhilSys ID, or simply the National ID, is an identification card given to Filipino citizens worldwide and to foreign permanent residents in the Philippines. During the first year of the year 2021, the Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA office started registering as many Filipinos as possible via home visits. And now, to make the process faster, Filipino citizens can register online via the PSA website. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. While you're at it, check out our merchandise store in the video description to see cool t-shirt designs, mugs, and much more. In just 6 easy steps, you can register online for the National ID. So let's get started. Step 1. Go to the official PSA registration page. Check out our video description to see link. Step 2. Read through the introduction and then click the Proceed button. Step 3. Type in your mobile number or email address to receive an OTP or one-time password for confirmation. This may take a few seconds, so wait patiently. Step 4. Agree to the terms and conditions, and then fill in all the information asked on the page. Step 4. Agree to the terms and conditions and fill in all the information asked on the page, such as full name, date of birth, place of birth, blood type, complete address, and so on. Please take note that providing false information to the PhilSys is punishable by law with a penalty of 3 to 6 years imprisonment and a fine of 1 million to 3 million in accordance with Section 19 of the Republic Act 11055 or the PhilSys Act. Step 5. After filling up all the blanks, click the Next button and review your personal information. And finally, Step 6. Click the Save and Exit button. You will be given a choice of making another registration or exiting the page. Once you finished all desired number of registration, you will receive a text message confirming your application number. If you do not receive your application number, please check your mobile number, review your information again for errors. And that's it! You are now registered for a National ID application. Please take note that we are not the Philippine Statistics Authority. For more information, details and schedule of appointments, please contact your respective branches. Did you find this video helpful? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Daisy of Dumaguete Info Net Service. See you in the next videos.